English Speaking 360 presents the top 14 basic phrasal verb pairs. Hello, today we're going to study super useful phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition. And the best way to remember them is to learn them in pairs. And of course, don't miss the review quiz at the end to see if you really understand them. Let's get started. Hey man, what are you doing? Don't take off your shorts. Take off. To take something off means to remove one's clothing. Yuck! And put on your t-shirt. To put something on. To put on means to start wearing clothing like this. So much better right now. Speed up. We're going to be late. To speed up means to go faster or to accelerate, to step on the gas. But the little guy says, we are in a school zone. I have to slow down. To slow down means to reduce your speed, to go slower or to decelerate. Do you want to eat out tonight? It's cold outside. Let's eat in. Do you want to eat out? Means, of course, to eat at a restaurant. It doesn't mean to eat outside at the park, for example. No. It is to eat at a restaurant. It's cold outside, let's eat in. You can already guess to eat in means to eat at home, to cook at home and eat there, not go out. It's freezing in here. Turn up the heat. To turn up, to increase the power. Now I'm too hot. Turn the heat down. To turn down is to decrease the power. This is very useful. Turn up the heat, turn down the heat. But you can also use it like this. I love this song. Turn up the volume. So you can also use it for the volume dial on your stereo. You can turn up the volume. It's too loud. Turn it down. Turn it down means the opposite, to reduce the volume. What time do you have to wake up? To wake up means to stop sleeping, to open your eyes. It's a little bit different from to get up, because get up means get out of bed, but wake up is to stop sleeping. It's my day off tomorrow. I can sleep in. Oh, lucky guy right there. To sleep in means this right there. You see it. It's already 10 past 10, but she's still in bed enjoying her life. To sleep in is to stay in bed until late. Or you can also sleep until late. I'm going on a trip. Could you drop me off at the airport? To drop someone off means to drive someone to a place and leave them there. So they stay at that place and you keep going in your car. Sure, I can pick you up when you come back too. To pick someone up is to go somewhere and get someone. Get them in your car, for example. You may sit down on this chair, but please stand up when the boss comes in. You may sit down on this chair. To sit down means from standing to sitting. And of course, please stand up when the boss comes in. It's very polite. Stand up means from sitting to standing. Could you pick up the boxes and put them down over there? To pick up means to lift something, to bring them up. And the opposite is to put down. Of course, it means to stop holding something, to put them on the floor or to put them on a desk or anywhere, but you're not holding them anymore. I turn on the lights when I get home around 7 p.m. Turn on, I press the on button. I start the lights. I flip the switch and the lights come on. And the opposite, I turn the lights off when I go to bed at 11 p.m. I turn off the lights, I press the off button, I stop it, I flip the switch down so the lights are off, it's dark. You can also say to switch on and to switch off because very often lights are on a switch. So you can also say switch on, switch off. I switch on my computer as soon as I wake up in the morning. My job is stressing me out. Oh, that's not good. To stress out means to experience a lot of stress, or something is giving you a lot of stress. And the opposite, I need to calm down. To calm down, oh, the picture is perfect. He looks very peaceful. To relax, to control yourself, to control your emotions, to calm down. The phone is ringing. Pick up. Pick up the phone means to answer the phone. Hello? So this is when the phone is ringing. Somebody's calling you. You have to pick up the phone. But you can just say, hey, pick up. And everybody knows it's pick up the phone, answer the phone. There's no one on the line. I'm going to hang up. There's no one on the line, so at the other end, there's nobody answering, so I'm going to hang up. To hang up means to end a call. You say goodbye and then click, you hit the red button to finish your call. You hang up the phone. This morning, I got in my car and I saw a man sleeping in the back seat. I got in my car. To get in is this. So to enter a car, watch out, remember, get in. It's very important. I told him to get out of my car. To get out of my car means to exit a car, so to go out of the car. Remember, get in and get out are used for private transportation, a taxi, a truck, a boat, and so on. So these are transportation means that you have to crouch to get into. You cannot enter standing. That's the difference with this one right here. Every day, I get on the bus at 7 a.m. Get on. To get on a bus means to enter a bus. It's not get in, it is get on. I get off the bus at a cafe near my office and I have a cup of coffee. I get off the bus means I exit a bus. And right here is super important. Get on, get off is for public transportation. Buses, subways, planes, and so on, because you enter standing up. It's very different from get in and get out of. Remember. I just got paid. Let's go out tonight. Woohoo! To go out means to spend time in public, and it's usually in the evening. I'm so tired. Let's just stay in and watch TV. Stay in means, of course, to stay at home and not go out. Let's see if you remember what we have learned today. Here are all of the phrasal verbs that we have learned today. All of them are in pairs. So if you forget one, remember. If you remember one of the pairs, the other one is the opposite, of course. So let's go with question 1. When a traffic light goes from green to yellow, drivers should... What should drivers do? It's not what do drivers do. It's what should drivers do. That's very important. Drivers should slow down, of course, right? I know most of you probably speed up when you see the yellow light, but you should slow down and stop. Question 2. Remember to the oven when you finish cooking. So you finish cooking, everything is ready, dinner is ready. What do you do with the oven? You turn off the oven. Next, let's at the next subway station and walk home. Okay, let's do what? They are on the subway right now. So let's at the next subway station, let's get off at the subway station. Hey, be careful here. Many of my students say, let's take off at the next subway station. That's totally wrong. The right phrasal verb is get off at the next subway station. Number 4, don't forget to set your alarm so you on time. So your alarm is going to ring, your alarm is going to go off, and you're going to on time. You're going to wake up on time. Question 5. We are halfway through. Don't give up. Let's go. When I don't know the number, I don't the phone. So the call is coming from an unknown number, and I don't want to answer the phone. So what do? I don't pick up the phone. I don't answer the call. One more. In Korea, you have to your shoes when you enter someone's home. So when you are visiting someone else's home, you have to your shoes. You have to remove your shoes. You have to take off your shoes. Number 7. Your music is so loud. Could you the volume, please? So the music is too loud. I don't like it. Could you turn down the volume, please? Question 8 out of 10. Let's go. There's no need to about the upcoming exam. You have studied enough. So you have studied a lot, so you shouldn't about the upcoming exam. You shouldn't stress out about the upcoming exam. 2 more questions. If you are going downtown, could you meet at the mall? I have some shopping to do. So I want to go shopping, and I want you to drive me there and leave me at the mall. So could you drop me off at the mall? Drop me off. That's a nice phrasal verb. Remember it. Here's the last one. There's nothing in the fridge. Let's for dinner. So there's nothing in the fridge. You cannot cook. So let's go out for dinner, of course. You could also say, let's eat out for dinner, but it's a little bit awkward. The best one is, let's go out for dinner. Good job, guys. Hey, don't forget to use these phrasal verbs. If you don't use them, you are going to lose them. And also check out these other good videos on the right-hand side. See you next time. Bye-bye.